I don't know if you guys know the persimmon fruit, but here in Japan it's called the Kaki, and this tree is actually early, so you can see these ones are turning orange. So that really orange one where the bird bit, it's actually pretty sweet compared to these younger ones. So yeah, so right there. So even this fruit, my mother had actually told me about it, that she tried it when she was working on the cruise ship, and it's one of my favorite fruits for the fall season as well. So they are very nice, delicious, and a lot of Japanese persons actually don't like them as well, which is quite interesting. I don't know why they don't like them. Oh, some, you have different types as well. Some can be quite hard and stainy, and then you have the ones that they create. Those ones where they do something to them. You can have like the seedless ones. The seedless ones are pretty nice. When they get really orange, they're rather juicy. So I think the kaki fruits or the persimmons are very nice fruits. I'll just have to get you guys a photo here because can't see too good. Getting behind the sun. Yeah, so if you're ever in Japan, I recommend you try this fruit as well. I've tried it and I've liked it. Yeah, and this is when it's green. These are some persimmon fruits. This one is extremely ripe, so it's kind of soft, and this one is not extremely ripe, so it's a little bit firm, but it's getting there. These are not the best types, but these ones are ready in season. So when it's really ripe, it's like this. Yeah, so really sweet. I'm gonna have to try and see if I find any in the supermarket. Some better ones. These aren't the best ones, but I just picked them off some trees yesterday. Yes.